நமஸ்தே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். நீ எதை நினைக்கிறாயோ அதுவாக ஆகிறாய். உன்னை வலிமையுடையவன் என்று நினைத்தால் வலிமை படைத்தவன் ஆவாய். Continue with the set operations. Yesterday we saw about union of two sets, intersection of two sets, and then complement of a set. Today in that we are going to see about difference of two sets. Let A and B be two sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. So note this point, which are in A but not in B. That element should not be in B, the set B. It is denoted by A minus B or A slash B and read as A difference B. In symbol, A minus B is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. And B minus A, the set of all y such that y belongs to B and y does not belongs to A. This is the condition. In Venn diagram, look at this. So A minus B means you leave B, right? These elements in A alone, that common element also will not come. So you should totally leave elements in B. So take only elements, that element should lies only in A. This part alone you have to take. Same like B minus A, B this one, so leave full A. So this is B minus A, subtracting or leaving the elements of A. So next one, example. If A is equal to minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4 and B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4. Find A minus B and B minus A. We have to find A minus B and B minus A. So in that A minus B. So first write the elements of A minus B. So I have differentiated the colors, that common elements. A minus B means you have to check the elements. Minus 3 is not in B, so you have to write. Minus 2 also is not in B, so you have to write. 1 is also there in B, so we should not write. That common element will not come. So we are leaving the elements of B in A, that is A minus B. So minus 3, minus 2 only will come. Next one, B minus A. So same like you have to write the elements of B first, subtracting the elements of A. So 1 and 4 is a common, so we have to leave that elements. So write 0 and 2 alone, that two elements only lying in B. So we are subtracting A. So 0, 2 is the answer. Next, symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set A minus B union B minus A. It is denoted by A delta B. A delta B is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A. So in the above example we calculated A minus B and B minus A. That two answers you have to write together. That will give you the A delta B. A minus B union B minus A. So find A delta B. You should know the formula. A minus B union B minus A. For that first you have to calculate A minus B. First write the formula. So A minus B is equal to, so 6, 7, 9. 8 will not come because 8 is also there in B. So leave that 8. So B minus A. So first look at B, then you see the A. So 8 is also there in A. So leave that 8. So next 10, 12 only will come in B minus A. So writing union of these two sets, 6, 7, 9 union 10, 12. So A delta B is equal to 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. This is A delta B. Next one, represent A delta B through Venn diagram. So by using the Venn diagram we are going to represent this in this example. So A minus B already shown you. So A, so leave this B. You should not shade this for B. So B minus A means what? So B minus A. So leave my A. Next, A minus B union B minus A. This part and this part. This intersection part will not come. So this is A delta B. Next one example. From the given Venn diagram, write the elements of A, B, A minus B, B minus A dash, B dash, U. So very easy one. So look at this. First we have to find A. A means what? You have to write this elements alone. A, E, I, O, U. That A circle alone you see. This is A, the set A, this is set B, and this is this full universal set. That pink color box. So for writing A, so A, E, I, O, U. These are the elements lying in the set A. And then B. So look at B, B, E, O, C. These elements will come in B. Next A minus B. A minus B. So leave this full B. So A, I, U only will come. So B minus A. So leave A. So the two elements B and C only lying in B. So B minus A will come A, B comma C. A dash. A dash means other than A. So what are the elements inside A? You leave that. Write other elements. This capital A and B representing the name of the set. So you consider the small letters. So B, C, D, G. Same like B dash. So leave B, full B. So B, E, O, C will not come. So other elements A, I, U, D, G. So you can write in any order, no problem. So next one U. Universal set means containing all the elements of all the sets. So write all the elements A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D, G. So that's all. So practice up to this. You will see the we will start the exercise on Monday. So tomorrow be ready for the test. I am going to give you the problems from exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2. So practice well, be ready for your test. I will give you a list of problems. You have to work out without seeing and correct it by yourself. If any problem wrong means you practice that, you write that problem 3 times. Thank you students.